Here's a nice looking truck, a unique specialty in classics. 1950 Chevrolet 3100. Short box step side. Kind of a street rod, keeping its original look, I guess you could classify this as. 283 V8 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. 350 automatic transmission to be exact. Take a look at the chrome bright work on the front of this and how it pops with that red paint. Truck was restored in 2006, and I believe it was red fire metallic, actually a Ford color used on it, but as you can see, rich looking color, looks good on this truck. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check this truck over top to bottom, inside and out, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on American classic polished torque thrust style wheels. Disc brakes up front. Of course, bent seat interior. And some more modern amenities. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little bit closer, go through some of that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome rear bumper, dual exhaust coming out the back. Wood bed. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. On the interior, when we pop the door, you're going to see auto meter gauges. It has a retro sound style radio to it. Tilt column. Finished off in gray cloth. Rubber floor. Seat belts intact. So nice looking interior. This one is kept simple, just nice and clean. Let's take a look at this gauge cluster. Because we got polished around the outside of the gauges. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It's a newer column here, so we do have the tilt column. And so it looks like the gauge is a working fuel gauge going on. Go. Yeah, oil pressure, fuel, voltage meter. It was a cold start, so I don't expect that needle to be up very much in the temp gauge. Looks like the odometer shows 78.70 since that gauge was installed, I'm assuming. Let's check out the radio here. Radio working, speaker still in the stock position. Electric wipers, wipers do work. Headlight switch is over here. Headlights working. And a painted dash to match the exterior with some bright work. Nice throttle response. Good sounding engine. This handle will straighten out obviously here. Nice little rumble coming out of that 283. Nice truck for cruising. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's take a look at this engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, one thing I forgot to mention in the interior, there is a fan, lower fan. You can see the heater hose is still hooked up over there. They've cleaned up the cowl, and that fan does blow, works fine. There it is, 283 V8. Edelbrock intake manifold. Carter 4-barrel carburation. Electric choke, HDI ignition. Sounds good. There you go, 1950 Chevrolet 3100. Regular cab, step side. Good looking truck. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description so that it can take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or